The joys of when 3D printing goes wrong. The power flickered today for just a second, just enough to cause it to go into power recovery mode, which it recovered the print and happened to be here on a break from work. And when I came back, noticed this massive layer shift, so canceled the print to get it going back again. But man, loving that neon green color. Things are gonna turn out nice when they don't layer shift. Thought about letting it go to the end just to get it done, but it doesn't use these as giveaways, but just want to get the print done, so save the filament, and we're about to restart. Get these cleared off the plate.